Carriers are very good about delaying payments. It's one of their biggest tactics that they use. By delaying payments, they can devalue their payouts.
And is that something that you as OCS can help with?
That's one of the biggest benefits by using a company like OCS. That's all OCS does all day, every day. And we have softwares that we have developed to help manage the claims process.
What's the timeline from when do I get paid with this assignment of benefits? Because initially you said homeowners don't have 10, 20K in their bank account sitting to give you kind of like an upfront payment. How does that work? Is it dependent? Is there some legal proceedings, or is it depending on insurance carrier, or what's determining the kind of like time to money?
Yeah, and that is all dependent on policy language. Okay, it's dependent on policy language. It's dependent on prompt pay statutes in each location and jurisdiction. And so, in a perfect world where insurance companies followed those guidelines and those laws, you could get payment within 30 days, 45 days. Doesn't always work that way. Carriers are very good about delaying payments. It's one of their biggest tactics that they use is to by delaying payments, they can then devalue their payouts over time because it puts contractors or people in a bad spot and they're more likely to negotiate a lower amount. There's a bunch of different tactics that can be used there, but states try to protect consumers from that, or at least statutes are in place to protect them. Doesn't always work. And those statutes are not always enforced by the Department of Insurance in each state. But there are things there to protect the consumer from that. But typically with the assignment, it doesn't necessarily speed up payment necessarily, but you can see payment. I mean, we see them coming in anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks all the way out to months. It just depends on, and it's not even carrier specific. A lot of times it's adjuster specific. You might have an adjuster at a large carrier who is a really good person that's trying to do the right thing, and they'll try to push the claim through in the way that they're supposed to by law push the claim through. Whereas the person sitting right next to them might just be a really mean, grumpy human, and they're going to take as much time as they possibly can to delay it. And so there's really no rhyme or reason to it. It can be very fast or very, very slow, but the assignment doesn't do a lot to speed that up necessarily.
And is that something that you as OCS can help with?
That's one of the biggest benefits by using a company like OCS, right? That's all OCS does all day, every day, is they call adjusters, they email with adjusters, they're contacting insurance companies. When the phone rings, it gets picked up because they're not knee deep in water in someone's house, right? They're there ready to pick up the phone. And that's one of the key things, Andreas, is having somebody available. So when that adjuster calls, that adjuster is looking at your invoice right now. They're willing and they're ready to work on it. If you miss that call, that claim's going back to the bottom of their pile. And who knows when you're going to get that adjuster on the phone again. So being able to have somebody available whenever the adjusters are ready to get to work on paying the claim, that really helps speed it up. There's that aspect of it. Plus we have the manpower and the availability, and we have softwares that we have developed to help manage the claims process so that claims don't slip between the cracks, right? There's alerts or bells that go off when a claim's not touched every so often. And so it just keeps it in that assembly line. It goes through without getting missed on stuff like that. And it's good to be the squeaky wheel in a nice, respectful way. And that helps get things paid. So that is something that OCS prides itself on, is being able to push these claims through faster than a contractor can do it on their own, for sure.
Cool. Well, Josh, that was some really great insights here today. and I can't wait to kind of learn more about what you guys are doing, and keep the conversation going on what are the perfect jobs, and hopefully in as many states as possible to use that tool, assignment of benefits.
Yeah.
To
I appreciate that. And before we get off here real quick, Andres, one thing I wanted to say was, we talked briefly about documentation, right? I've
Yeah,
got 5 kids. Okay.
yeah.
When I take them to the dentist, it's expensive. And one of the things that the dentist always tells my kids is only floss those teeth that you want to keep. And I kind of take the same approach with my contractors, saying only document that portion of the job that you want to be paid on. And so when companies like yours, like magicplan, are out there to really help dial in that type of documentation, it's such an important tool for contractors to be able to use to easily show the carrier what's done. It's fantastic, and I love it.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, this is what we are trying to say, or what was my really personal conviction is, I mean, I just don't want to forget anything. Really, that is what I always tell, and that's why I'm so yeah, specific about. I want to document everything as I see it while I am on site, right?
Love it.
And I want to be done when I leave the job, because in that moment I saw that up there in the corner was this and there was this, and I do it as I go, and then once I'm gone I don't have to remember anything. That
That's
is
right.
my number one issue. I don't want to have to remember. I just want to look it up again. And that is what really is helpful and beneficial for the adjuster, for whomever involved in that very same kind of like eventually thought process. And then you can just check it off and then you're done.
100%.
Um,
I love that.
cool. Well, yeah, it was awesome talking to you. Thank you so much. And hopefully we see each other soon at some trade show or event.
Sounds good. I look forward to it, Andreas. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.